Class 8, Chapter 3, Synthetic Fibers and Plastics, Part 2, NCERT. So guys, let's start again. So this is chapter number 3, Synthetic Fibers and Plastics, Part 2, NCERT. So we are just gonna start it, and this is the second part of this chapter. And last time we had finished rayon. We had just finished rayon. And which we also called artificial silk. Okay, so now we are just going to start nylon. Okay, so without any delay, I think we should start. So nylon is another man-made fiber. Okay, but nylon is made up of three main things: cold, water, and air. Okay, nylon is made up of cold, water, and air. These three components together, when combined, make rayon. It was the second, or we can say another man-made fiber, but this was the first fully synthetic fiber. So you just need to remember this thing, that was the first fully synthetic fiber. Yeah, here it wasn't, rayon wasn't fully synthetic fiber, but this nylon was pure synthetic fiber. Take it. Okay. So there are many things for which nylon is used. It's used for making socks, ropes, tents, toothbrushes, car seats, belts, sleeping bags. Yeah, these things. So guys, rayon is it's rayon, nylon to lawn like this, but rayon and nylon have a very different thinking. Rayon was stylish, but nylon is too thick and too powerful. It's so elastic and so durable that it's used for making parachutes, rock climbing ropes, and these things. As because it's too elastic and too durable, and it can take many harsh things. That's why it's used to make ropes, and it's also used to make toothbrush bristles. This part of the brush. Okay, used to make this part of the brush. That's color in maroon type of color. Yeah, let's go. That's why it's so much strong. Yeah, I told the main things: this parachute and this rope climbing. Yeah, that's the main thing. So guys, this is an activity. It says that take an iron stand with a clamp, take a cotton thread of about 60 centimeter length, tie it to the clamp so that it hangs freely, as shown in the figure. At the free end, suspend a pan so that the weight can be placed in it. Add weight one by one until the thread breaks. Note down the total weight acquired from the. Like guys, it's saying that the durability means if you see over here, it makes a weighing. If you see this weight over here has some weight, and like 250 grams or like this, it has a weight, and it will give you the strength that this fiber could take. This fiber. So if you take 60 centimeter of cotton, silk, wool, and nylon, if you compare these, I'm dead sure that you will find that nylon is on number 1. Nylon is the best, strongest fiber ever made till this thing. Okay. Yeah, and this is the one thing. These threads should be of same length and thickness. If they will be more thick, there would be a problem with it. Yeah, you could understand that if they are more thick, they are actually more strong. Not because of the fiber, because they are more thick, like physics. Okay. So guys, this is nylon, and nylon is pretty well finished. Nylon is not much of a thing to be read about, as because nylon is just powerful fiber just made. Yeah, not nothing else than that. So guys, without any delay, let's start polyester. Yeah, polyester. It's not actually, first we will start polyester, then we will start acrylic. Okay, first polyester, then acrylic. So guys, let me tell you first thing. Let's divide polyester into two parts. See, poly and ester. You must know the meaning of poly. Yeah, I told you in the beginning. Polymer. So, mer means units, and polymer together means many units. So, you could easily think and make the conclusion that poly means more. So, many actually, not more. Many is the correct grammar. So, many ester. So, what is this ester? Ester is a type of chemical, and nothing else than that. Ester is a type of chemical, and this ester can be used for, you say that, like ester. Not much use of ester, but the main thing, the thing you should know is that ester has a fruity smell. Yeah, fruity smell. First we will start polyester, and then we will go on. Yeah, our second. Our second polymer in this heading, acrylic. Okay, so without any delay, let's start it. So, polyester is another synthetic fiber, as you know. Polyester is a fiber which is known as it doesn't have much of wrinkles, and it's suitable for making dressing materials, yeah, which you can wear. Nylon wasn't a material used much for means clothing and these things, as because it's too thick and too harsh also, and if you will sweat, it won't absorb sweat, so you could get rashes and these things. So nylon was the worst thing if you try to wear it during summers. That's the worst. Yeah, that's the thing. So no wrinkles. It doesn't has any wrinkle. That's the one of the main points of this. First, no wrinkles, and you must have seen people saying my polyester shirt, these thing, dresses like these. Okay, it's just like a yarn. But now, if I tell you that sorry, yeah, if I guys, if you can wait, if I say polyester, okay, Polyester, polyester, right? Polyester. We could majorly divide it into two parts. Part number 1, part number 2. Yeah. So if you see part number 1, it says terylene, right? Terylene. And if you see the next part, it says PET. Yeah, you are seeing it right, PET. So what is this terylene and PET? Actually, these terylene and PET are type of, you can say, two types actually of this polyester. Two types of polyester. So without polyester is without wrinkles and is suitable. Let me highlight this part. Suitable. Terylene is a popular type of polyester. There are many type of polyester. Terylene and PT are one of them broad categories. Yeah, terylene is one of the most famous polyester, and we will study about it in this part on in this chapter, not any other part, and PET also. So terylene is just like those polyester things that people dresses, they tell you about the dresses. These are just like that only, these polyester dresses. Terylene making for dresses, shirts, these things. So if you see, sorry, sorry guys, I'm just okay. So if you say terylene, terylene is type of popular for dresses. Yeah, dresses actually. I'd really like to change its focus, but it's not changing. So yeah, it is. Yeah, I think it's fine right here. Yeah, I don't think PET is much of a trouble. Means you should know it very well, PET. Yeah. So terylene for dresses, and it will the thing fact or the thing we are going to study will shock you if you see that PET, which is a type of polyester, is used to make jars. Yeah, jars. You are listening it like bottle, jars, utensils, vials, these things. You will imagine that one type of polyester used for making dresses and other for jars, means bottles. Too much of a difference. Yeah. So this part says that. Just introduce you to that thing. Yeah. So let's see. PET forms bottle. Actually, this is the only thing that PET does. Forms bottle and these things. Yeah. So let me say used. It's used for making bottles. You can also say making bottles, jars, utensils, and wires. So they were mainly used for making these things. Yeah. So guys, let me extend it a little bit so that you could clearly see these notes. Yeah. Okay. So polyester, like I told you in the beginning only, that for what polyester is used. Yeah, polyester not used actually. What is polyester? Yeah, poly is ester plus, yeah, it's made up of many of ester particles, repeating ester particles. Yeah. Part 2 finishes. part 3 will be uploaded soon. Hey guys, Educational Buddies here. Please like and subscribe my channel, share it ASAP. Remember to hit the bell icon below. I will soon release my next video. Till that time, stay tuned, tell your friends about it, spread the knowledge. Cheers, Educational Buddies.